Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic scrolling video collage effect using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to create video collage using InShot. I'm going to start creating new project, and I'm just going to pick random videos from my device. I'm going to select this one, for example, and then we can click on the check mark, and I'm going to go to the PIP and add more video to my project. I'm gonna go with this one, and wait, let me arrange the video. Right guys, I'm going to move it right here, and I'm going to click on this icon to fit the screen. Okay, just like that, and I'm going to add one more video to this project. I'm gonna go with this video. Okay, and I'm going to fit the screen like this. Okay, and I'm going to save it guys, but before it I'm going to make them have same duration. Okay, and I'm going to export it. Okay, and just wait for a moment, and after that I'm going to create the cinematic scrolling effect. I'm going to use the video to create cinematic scrolling video collage effect. Then you can create one more video collage, but I'm just going to use this collage as the second video, and I'm going to create new project, and I'm going to import the video I have just created. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the PIP and import the same video. You can use another video if you have, like this. I'm going to make it fit the screen, and then I'm going to select my first video and add the keyframe, and I'm going to move to the end of this video, and I'm going to scroll up to make it almost out of frame. Okay, and then I'm going to select my second video and go to the end part of your video, add the keyframe, go to the beginning, and move it down like this, and this is the final result. Okay, as you can see that the cinematic scrolling video collage effect has been created. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic scrolling video collage effect using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.